Welcome student, it's me Lokendra Saunth, and today I am going to teach you the factorization of algebraic expression which are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and let's start with this first slide. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, first of all, there is the introduction, okay, of this expression ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and here is the thing, okay, to understand when you are going to factorize the algebraic expression which are given in this form, okay, x square plus bx plus c, and here is given the factor, okay, there is one in front of this x1, there is given one number, okay, that is the coefficient of x square. Okay, this is a in the form of a which will be bigger than 1. Okay, and this a and this c should be multiplied first. If you multiply this a and this c, okay, when you multiply a and c, if you get plus values, okay, then we will get this middle one b, okay, by adding the two numbers, that m and n. Okay, and when you find the product of a and this c negative, okay, here is negative 1. If that is given there, what, negative, we can see there. If we get negative, then what you have to do, we will get this b, okay, by subtracting the two numbers m and n. Okay, this is the main thing you have to understand. Okay, when you multiply this a and c, this c, okay, if the value comes negative, then we have to bring this middle one b value by subtracting the two numbers m and n. Okay, now let's move to the next slide, which will help you more clear. Okay, because there is the example also, and it goes like this. See here. Okay, this example says how to factorize. Okay, how to factorize this, algebraic expression if it is given in this form. See here. Okay, this question tells this question, okay, is asking about factorizing. Okay, this expression 8a cube plus 22a square plus 9a. Okay, as I told you, there's a little bit different than previous one, and here is common in all the term. Okay, if there is common in all the term, we have to take common that. Okay, a first, and please you have to keep in mind that don't take common if there is common in this two only. Okay, if there are three terms, there must be common in all, then only take common. Okay, then if you take a common, then 8a square plus 22a plus 9 left. After that, now what you have to do here? Okay, do here, look here, see it, see it. First of all, we have to multiply this 8 and 9. Okay, 8 9s are 72, and that is plus. That's why we have to get this 22 by adding the two numbers whose sum is 22 and whose product must come 72. Okay, 8 plus 4, 22, 8 4s are 72. Okay, then that should be kept in mind. 18 into a, 18a, 4 into a, 4a. We remove the bracket, this one. Now there are four terms. Now make the group of these two terms. 2a is common here in this two term, and what is left here? 4a plus here is 9, and here is 1 common. Then what is left? 4a plus 9. Okay, now 4a plus 9 is same, then 4a plus 9 right there, and here will be 2a plus 1. Okay, this next one, and altogether how many factors became now? One is a, and this is 4a plus 9, and this is 2a plus 1. Okay, like this we will factorize. We have to factorize like this. Okay, now next question number 2 example is like this here. In this question number 2 also, first of all, there is common. Okay, in all 4p square is common in all. That's why 4p square take common. 6p square left because 4 6 are 24, and there's pq only left, and here is 4 7 is 20, that's 7 left, and q square, p square is already gone common. Now here is minus 1, look here. Because 6 and minus 7, it will be minus 42. That is 42, okay? Negative comes. Then we have to bring this 1 at the middle one. Look there. Here's 1. This 1 we have to get by subtracting the two numbers, 7 and 6 subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now remove the bracket. 7 into PQ, okay? 7 PQ minus minus plus 6 into PQ, 6 PQ, okay? Now take the common in these two. P common, then what will be here? 6P minus 7Q, and plus Q common, then what is there? 6P minus 7Q here, okay? Now 6P minus 7Q, 6P minus 7Q is same. 6P minus 7Q is what there? Common. Now what is left here? Here is plus and here is plus, okay? Q. This P plus Q is left. And altogether they become three factor. One factor is 4P square, another factor is 6P minus 7Q, another factor is P plus Q, okay? Like this we have to factorize, okay? Now let's go to the next slide, okay? And next slide has the next example, and it goes like this, okay? See there. That is example number 3. And here is also in all these three terms there is common 2xy. That's why take 2xy common, okay? Because 2 9s are 18 and 2 18s are 36 and 2 40s are 80, okay? 2xy is taken common. Then 9x square left there. Here is this one 18, okay? And look here. Before that I want to tell this one 9 into 40. This minus 40, that's why it is minus 360. It is negative. That's why we have to subtract two numbers. Then we have to bring this 18. Okay, 30 minus 12 is 18, and 30 into minus 12 it will be minus 360. Okay, it is correct one. That's why. Now remove the bracket. 30 into xy, 30xy minus 12 into xy minus 12xy. There are four terms now here. Now 3x common. Then 3x left in 9x square. Here is 10y left, and here is minus 4y common. The 4 3s are 12, then 3x left there. A minus common gone, then 4 10s are 40, then what is left there? Y left there, and close the bracket. Okay. Now write there 3x plus 10y. 3x plus 10y is, okay, 3x plus 10y is common. And what is left here? 3x, and here is left minus 4y. Okay. 3x minus 4y is remaining here. Like this, we factorized and found the three factors. One factor is 2xy, another factor is 3x plus 10y, another factor is 3x minus 4y. Like this, we factorize and find out these factors. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, next slide has the next example, which goes okay like this here. And here's look, 3 into a plus b whole square plus 2 into a plus b minus 5. Okay? This minus 5 into 3 minus 15. That's why we get this 2 by subtracting the 2 factor. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 into minus 3 will be minus 15. Okay. Then open this bracket. 5 into ab. 5 into AB. Now minus 3 into ab. 3 into a plus b. Okay. And minus 5. Now there are 4 terms. Now take common. A plus b whole square means a plus b 2 times. Then take a plus b common. Then what is left? Curly bracket. 3, right? Then a plus b and plus 5 here, and curly bracket close. Minus 1 common here, because there is nothing, means 1 will be factor of all the term. Okay, 1 common, then minus 1 common gone. Then 3 into a plus b left, and here is plus 5. Okay, now this all the bracket and this one term are same. These are the same factor. Now take them common. 3 into a plus b plus 5 curly bracket, and what is left here? A plus b left, and here is left minus 1. Now remove this bracket. 3 into a is 3a, 3 into b is 3b, and plus 5, and it will be a plus b minus 1. This is another factor. Okay, like this we factorize this type of question. Now let's move to the next example and next slide, which goes like this. Look, this is also similar to that. In this question, look here, this 8 into minus 3 multiply what will be? Minus 24, and that is minus. That's why we have to get this 2 by subtracting the two numbers. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. That we got this 8 into minus 3 is minus 24. And 6 minus 4 is 2. Why minus we did? Because 8 is plus, a is this one 8, and c is here what? Minus 3. A into c, my negative number, negative came. Then we have to find out this 2 by subtracting this one. Okay, 6 minus 4. Now remove this bracket. 6 into x plus y into z. 6 into x plus y into z. Minus minus plus, and 4 into x plus y into z. This is okay. Minus 3z square. Then what is common in this 2? 2 into x plus y. 2 into x plus y is common, and curly bracket close. Then what will be this? 4, because 2 4s are 8. Then 1 x plus y is left. 1 x plus y right there. Minus 2 common gone. Then 3 z is left there, because 2 3 is 6 and z is left here. And here in this 2 1 there is z common, right? Z common. Then what is it? 4 into x plus y is left here, and minus 3 from 3z square, 3z only left. Okay, now check this bracket, and this bracket is same. That's why 4 into x plus y minus 3z and 4 into x plus y minus 3z is common right there. And what is left here? 2 into x plus y is left. 2 into x plus y is left. Minus, what is it? This is plus and z. Okay, plus z, right? Okay, once again I tell, this 4 into x plus y minus 3z is common. And what is remaining here? 2 into x plus y, and here is left plus z. Now remove this bracket. 4 into x, 4x, 4 into y, 4y, and minus 3z, and this is 2 into x, 2x, 2 into y, 2y. Okay, this is z only. This is the answer. Okay, these are the factors of this question. Now let's move to the next slide. And next slide tells, okay, is like this. This is the assignment. Okay, you can tell this is the homework. Okay, factorize. Okay, here is take common, then factorize, and middle term being, and this also here is also common, then factorize, and okay, here also 2n minus 10 multiply, and this will be minus 20. That's why it will be 1 5 4 ja. Okay, subtract and find 5 4 ja, and here is 6 and 10 multiply, it will be 60. Then 60 should be factor this positive. That's why we have to find this by adding. Okay, 15 4 is 60, 15 plus 4 19. Okay, like this you will do. Okay, today this much only. Okay, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and please keep practicing.
Give me all they feelings, yeah. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.